Good day, guys. So let me quickly show you how we can get our daily combo on Hamster Kombat. By now you should be mining Hamster Kombat, and if you are not mining it yet, I'm going to drop the link to join. Daily combo is 5 million naira, 5 million coin. You understand? 5 million coin. So you need to get all three items needed to be get correctly before you can get 5 million 5 million coin. So how do we get started? Every day I'll be dropping the what we need to do inside the group. That is what we need to pick before we can get the 5 million coins. So what we need to do is just to click on this. After clicking on this, you see this small eye icon, eye icon here. You start mining. Once you click on start mining, it's going to show up. You click on start mining. So once we click on start mining, so we've already clicked on start mining. Let me go back the network here. I'm doing something there already. You click here, start mining. You see it. So as you can see, this is daily combo, three daily combo. So these are the things we need to find. Now every day I'll be dropping the image of what we need to find. So for today, this is the image of what we need to find. This three investment plan. It's called investment plan. We need to use money to buy it. So how do we do that? We have to locate this market area. This is the market area. This market, we'll locate it. If we can't find it here, we'll move on to PR and team. You understand? If you can't find it here, we'll go to lega. And if you can't find it here, we'll go to special. Under this special, we have three areas. This is the first one, my card. Second one, new cards. Third one, mixed opportunity. So now let's get started and look for what we need to check first, which is this partnership program. As you can see, partnership program. So let's look for it. I eventually see it here under PR. So can you see this is partnership program? It is logged. Most time this thing might be logged. So how do we open it? You see something below it. They will say influencer. This is influencer. Let's say for instance this is product team. We want to look for product team. You see we have CEO level 2, but for this partnership program you need to go to influencer. It says that we need to unlock influencer to level 7. Can you see it? So most time we need to look for it. This is influencer. You understand? Influencers. And if you don't see it here, you just have to go around just like the way I show you guys. So we have to move it to level 7 before it can be open. So now how do we do it? Level 1, I'll move on to level 2 like that. See, level 3 like that, level 4 like that, level 5 like that, level 6 like that, and level 7. Can you see it? Can you see now it has been unlocked? Can you see it? Then I'll go for it. I'll pick it out. So can you see? Cool. First card is ready. Don't stop. Which means I've gotten the first card out of the 3 cards. So it remains the second and third, which is the Lambo for the Hamster CEO and Web3 Academy. So I've seen it already. I just want to show you. So it's on special. Although it might not be on special, I just have to look for it, search for it. You understand? So let me check this place. Can you see it? This is 1 million 1 million coin. Then that's the second combo and the third combo. The third combo, which is this. Can you see it? I'm gonna buy it. It redirected me to YouTube, but for me I've done what I was asked to do. Then I'll click on go ahead. Can you see it now? You see, the combo is complete. You are doing great. Then I'll take my price. That is how to get daily combo every day. Can you see this is 29 now? 29 million coin. That is how to get combo. Imagine 10 days now. That is almost 50 million. So that is how to get daily combo. Inside my group, I'll be dropping everyday image. Every day we need to, all these 3 tasks we need to perform to get our 5 million coins. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.